Next, we have an example of facilitated diffusion. Facilitated diffusion is another type of passive transport. Similar to simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion is considered passive because it moves molecules from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration, and the molecules are moving down their gradient. This means that they don't require any energy. So in this type of diffusion, the molecules are unable to pass through the hydrophobic core in the center of the plasma membrane, which is where the tails are. So they require a carrier protein to pass through the membrane, and that is located right here in the center. Molecules that use facilitated diffusion are usually large, polar, charged, and hydrophilic because they like water. This means that they cannot pass through the hydrophobic core, so they can use a carrier protein to get through. Some examples of molecules that use facilitated diffusion would be glucose and ions. Glucose and ions are molecules that are both large, polar, and charged. They are also considered hydrophilic. So since the lipid bilayer consists of hydrophobic tails, glucose and ions are not able to pass through on their own because they are both hydrophilic. They both need a specific carrier protein to bind to in order to help them move down their gradient from high to low concentration. So although they need a carrier protein to move down their gradient, they do not require ATP to cross the membrane.